I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost.
This is why I like remodeling and putting in all new electric. This doesn't fly. You have to have a wire nut on that connection. And we got it up here too, as well, on the bathroom light. I already ripped the light down, but you can see it was just taped, no wire nuts. Let's see what we got over here on this bathroom. Here they at least have wire nuts up in there. It looks like they did tape it first and then put wire nuts on, which I would still say no, because two copper wires, if there's any, if it ever gets a loose connection, it's gonna burn that tape. So definitely you just put wire nuts on, and then if you want to, you can tape the wire nuts on. If you put it on right, there's no need to use any type of tape. And I haven't even pulled down all the outlets yet, or the lights and other stuff, but definitely have some ghetto wiring. I think we have it up here too. Look at that black tape.
To the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck, can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough, gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me, I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning, I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me, I need focus to keep me from hopeless, psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me.
Alright guys, this is some nasty stuff. I already cleaned it up, but there was a big bird nest up over here. There's lots of poop up in there, and they were pretty good size, like a little bit bigger than cat poop. So before I did the siding, there was no screen on that, so I imagine they were crawling through the vent there. But I'm ripping down all the siding, or the wall paneling, got it all down. I'm taking out all these wood laps, because I'm just going to go through those 2x4s and screw the sheetrock back up when I put new insulation in. But that insulation, you can see it's all brittle and falling apart and getting all over you. And then I decided to put this plywood up here so I could stand on. It's pretty nasty, but I haven't been recording just because I don't have a cameraman and I don't really have a place to put you guys.
Much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
Here's the size of all that poop. Don't know what it is, but it's definitely bigger than cat poop. But I believe that he was coming in over there before I got that new siding up with that new vent with the screen in it. I think they were crawling in there. You know, I even had to replace some places on the roof. So, I mean, they could Been coming in a couple different places, but I got that fixed because this room had lots and lots of wasps in it. After I put that siding up, no wasps are in here. So I also use some wasp killer. So it's either mixture of both or something, but that siding, I think, is what's mainly keeping the stuff out now.
Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.
Pulling out all the nails out of the ceiling, the walls. These pieces of wood going across here, I'm removing that wood paneling to take it down to that wood beam across there. And I plan on staining it and then putting a clear coat on it. I'm taking that paneling off. That one looks like right here, those two on this side.
It's supposed to feel.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it like.
Guys, there's a lot of small tedious things. Sometimes I don't show too much in videos because I think it's boring and it's time consuming. So we'll see if I end up videoing myself doing it, but today I'm going to pull all these little nails and staples that was holding the carpet down. And with the carpet strips. And I'm going to cut this carpet up, put it in strips, roll it up, and take it out in pieces so I can manhandle it myself. Try to do the whole thing all at once. Makes it really hard for me to do it alone. But I'm almost done with all this insulation stuff. Finally, this is, once you get past this part, it's not as bad. The last week I've been pretty itchy. Little insulation fibers get in you and work it. And then I still got some nails. Well, you can see back there, nails all up there, but I got most of that done. Got it down to what they call the bones, so, and I'll be able to put new insulation in and the electric wiring. But yeah, I'm pretty happy to get past this installation part because it was just falling down in my face up there on a ladder, and oh, it's nasty. This carpet's nasty. Oh, yeah.
Have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win at life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean, and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short, so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't playing no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these shit I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said.